folks, I'm Chef Dato. Today we're doing Virgin Island. Every Thursday we have different countries. Today's the Virgin Island. And I like to introduce to you conch. Some people call conch, some people call conch. It's a fish. And I'm gonna make like hush puppies. Conch hush puppies. Cut into smaller pieces and just put in a rubber cube. Chop it up with the onions. It was onions, pepperonis, and by hand here. This is the Caribbean jerk seasoning. I will have to put inside, and a little bit salt and pepper mix. Okay, chop it up everything. Put in the bowl. And bind it with a little cornstarch or corn flour, some kind of corny flavor, and make nice balls. You can use ice cream scoop. You can use your hand. It's a free country. You can do whatever you want it. Just make sure it's balls, or any shape, whatever you want. Yeah. I prefer balls. Just squeeze it up a little bit, and give it to Chef Ken, who's making a coconut shrimp for you. Chef Ken, very quiet man. You see. I'm talking about
not
quiet.
when the boss is talking. Afterwards, talk all you want.
I'm talking about different and quiet.
Oh, okay. All right. All right.
Like a quiet man, you know what I mean? And like 6 of them per portion. And Chef Kenny, right there, voila.
Thank you, sir.
And he's so magical. He puts inside, and he already done. Look at him. Wow.
Huh? Am I good or am I good?
Yes. And this is a little bit of sauce. I made pina colada sauce with it. Pina colada, a little bit of coconut, mango, coconut milk, blend it up, everything, Caribbean spices, and voila. Hey, Ken. Hey, Ken.
Yes, sir.
I cannot try without you. Come on, Nick. Eat too. Yeah. Okay.
Delicious.
Hey, thank you for watching. I'm Chef Dato. I'll see you next week, next Thursday. Bye.